Hi, fellow food lovers. Today we're taking a trip to the sun-kissed streets of Beirut without even leaving our kitchens. How? By making authentic Lebanese falafel. Forget those dry, flavorless imitations. This recipe will transport you straight to a bustling Lebanese market with every crispy bite. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds. Imagine sinking your teeth into a perfectly fried falafel. The outside is unbelievably crispy. The inside, soft, fluffy, and bursting with fresh herbs and earthy spices. That's the magic of this recipe. It's a symphony of textures and flavors you won't soon forget. Ready to bring the magic home? Let's get started. The key to exceptional falafel lies in the ingredients. We're using only the best to create a flavor explosion. First up, dried chickpeas. These are our little nuggets of falafel goodness. Soaking them overnight allows them to soften and blend into a beautifully smooth mixture. Next, fresh parsley and cilantro. These herbs add a vibrant green color and a refreshing herbaceous flavor. Don't hold back. The more herbs, the more flavorful and aromatic your falafel will be. We'll be adding garlic and onion for a subtle sharpness that perfectly complements the other flavors. And of course, no authentic Lebanese falafel is complete without the warming spices. Think cumin, coriander, and a touch of cayenne pepper for a gentle kick. These spices add depth and complexity. Now let's get our hands dirty. Grab your food processor and toss in the drained chickpeas, herbs, garlic, onion, and spices. Pulse everything together until you have a coarse mixture. It's important not to overprocess at this stage. We want some texture, not a paste. This is where your senses come alive. Take a deep breath and inhale the intoxicating aroma of fresh herbs and earthy spices. It's pure heaven. Give the mixture a little taste and adjust the seasonings to your liking. Once you're happy with the flavors, it's time to let the mixture rest. Cover the bowl and pop it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld together beautifully, resulting in a more flavorful falafel. Section 4. Shaping Perfection. Crafting Falafel Delights. Our falafel mixture is well rested and ready to be shaped. Now you have two options here: classic balls or trendy patties. For traditional falafel balls, simply scoop out a tablespoon of the mixture and roll it between your palms. It's as easy as that. If you're feeling adventurous, try shaping the mixture into patties. These are perfect for stuffing into pita bread with all your favorite toppings. Use your hands or a spoon to form patties that are about ½ inch thick. Remember, have fun with it. Once you've shaped all your falafel, arrange them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Now, for that extra crispy exterior, pop the tray into the freezer for about 15 minutes. This step helps the falafel hold their shape during frying. Section 5. Golden crunch time, frying to crispy perfection. The moment we've all been waiting for. Heat a generous amount of oil in a large frying pan over medium heat. We want the oil to be hot enough to sizzle when you add the falafel, but not so hot that it burns the outside before cooking the inside. Gently slide the falafel into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them in batches, turning them occasionally, until they turn a gorgeous golden brown. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes per batch. Once the falafel are cooked to perfection, remove them from the oil and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. And there you have it, perfectly golden brown, crispy on the outside and soft and flavorful on the inside. Section 6. Falafel Fiesta, serving up a Lebanese feast. Now comes the fun part, assembling your falafel feast. The possibilities are endless. Serve them in warm pita bread with hummus, tahini sauce, and all your favorite veggies like diced tomatoes, cucumbers, and pickled turnips. Or create a vibrant falafel salad with fresh lettuce, chopped parsley, juicy tomatoes, and a drizzle of lemon tahini dressing. You can even enjoy them on their own as a delicious and satisfying snack. No matter how you choose to enjoy your homemade falafel, one thing's for sure: you're in for an explosion of flavors and textures that will transport you straight to the heart of Lebanon. So gather your loved ones, whip up a batch of these crispy delights, and get ready for a culinary adventure.